people use business software as a digital filing cabinet, but Bitrix24 more like a hidden engine for your entire company. I've uncovered 5 different features buried within this platform that change everything. From AI that literally writes your emails to predictive analytics that are able to see into the future of your sales pipeline. If you want to stop working for your software and start making it work for you, these are the 5 game changers that you need to know about right now. Today, folks, we're going to be showing you some of these awesome features, including the AI CoPilot, which can analyze long comment threads and draft efficient, polite, and suitable responses in seconds. We've also got the Buy Builder, which unlocks real-time data using the power of AI to get insights from your company. It really does replace manual reporting with visual live analytics for more strategic decisions. Then there's also the no-code RPA, which is the engine. This is for building autonomous workflows for really repetitive tasks like workflow generation, lead routing, or document generation without having to write a single line of code. This really does democratize innovation for non-technical team members. You've then got predictive business analytics for forecasting based on real-time velocity. This really does help managers spot at-risk deals weeks before they happen. And then the unified communication stack, unifying HD calls, video calls, messaging, and document collaboration all into one app, reducing company app fatigue. Okay, so we are logged into our account here. So we've got all the section tabs. We're currently in the chat section right now, and we can see all of the current chats that are open. For example, this one here, project deployment update. So we can see everything actually in here with the CoPilot feature. Okay, so we're going to find the CoPilot right here, summarize this discussion into key updates, completed work, pending issues, and next action steps. That's fantastic. So CoPilot in literally 1 second has given us a summary of the discussion, given us the action steps, which is most important. Really good. So it's already organized everything right there for us using CoPilot. And if we go over to the tasks and projects section, we can actually go over to the design landing page section here. All right, and we can actually see a description of everything here. So continue task description, we can create a checklist. All right, we've got the summarized text section here as well. So we can save that CoPilot query there. So let's go check out the Buy Builder now. Let's have a look. So we've got all the different folders here, profile dashboards, sites and stores dashboards, CRM dashboards. You can go through and create a new dashboard. You can order custom dashboards, or you can even download from Market. This is from the Bitrix24 Market. You can go grab one straight from here for free. There's heaps of really good handy free ones which you can use. So if we have a look at the sales section, for example, we've got one for call analytics, sales trend. If we have a look at this sales trend one, we can actually go ahead and install that. It's got the number of installations, the developer. Really cool that you can just basically get this plugged in right away, and it's going to help you monitor your sales trends in an efficient and transparent manner for your team. We go over to the automation section now. Okay, let's go ahead and hit start. Have a look at the different workflows, going for a general request here. It's pretty cool. You can automate your workflows, control every stage, and manage workflows from your mobile as well. Great to see you can actually have that feature as well. So again, this one's specifically for new lead assignment and follow-up automation. So really cool little automation that we can basically get set up. If we click into the workflow element, let's have a bit of a look here and see. You got business processes section, you got the access, so you can set it to, read only or access denied. All right, so this is pretty cool. This is like the request, new lead assignment, and follow-up automation area here. Now I'll head on over to the CRM section now. We can have a look basically at the different deals we got going on here. So we'll head on over to the sales pipeline and tunnel. Got the default pipeline here. Let's have a look at what's in progress here. And that's pretty cool. So it gives us whether the deals have won, whether they've lost. We can add a pipeline in. We can go have a look here at Sarah Johnson under the chats. And we can say something like, "Hi Sarah, just checking in if your team reviewed the updated proposal." We can open up a video call chat as well, which is really cool. So this is just the perfect thing if you're someone who has a remote business, remote team. You should be using Bitrix24. Like, you can open up David Kim's chat here as the developer. Little prompts such as, "Can you make some time to discuss things over the phone?" So you've got really solid connectivity between everyone on your team. And I love the general chat section as well here. It's like a business version of Telegram or like maybe Discord, like way more organized and just perfect for business. Stop searching for 5 different apps when you can have it all in just one place.